So welcome to my channel, Gift Shop Works. I'm Lovely. How are you all doing? And good morning. Good morning. Good morning. So after a long time, I'm going to post this beautiful video for you guys. Please stay tuned to learn. And I'm discussing here about, in this video, we are discussing about what? UPSC Prelims preparation. So let's stay to learn because the video is so interesting and so excited to learn and hope it will be informative too. So stay tuned. So before that, if you find this video is informative, then do like, share and subscribe to my channel and click bell icon for latest updates. So let's get started then. Before that, I'm going to discuss some things which is so interesting. So let's first start our topic. In between, we'll discuss a lot. So coming to our topic to discuss about Tex Ramps Scheme. Tex Ramps Scheme, TEX, Tax RAMPS, Ramps Scheme. There is a scheme called Tex Ramps Scheme. So here are the basic details to learn about Tex Ramps Scheme. The full form of Tex Ramps Scheme is textile focused research, like research, assessment, monitoring, planning and startup. Research, assessment, monitoring, planning and startup. Are you understood about the total full form of the Tex Ramps Scheme? Yes. So next, what it is. See, Ministry. From the Ministry of Textile Cities. The scheme belongs to related to our Ministry of Textiles from the Ministry, and there was a funding of rupees 304 crore 2025 to 26 to 2030 to 31. So here the scheme aims like this: future-proof India's textiles and apparel T&A, like sector through research, innovation and competitiveness. So here, like the key components research. What's that? Research, as usually we already know, and innovation. That means something which is unique, and there will be a creative. That is innovative. So in technology or something. Let's see. What's that? Smart textiles. Sustainability means reused and used to help to everyone to wear skin friendly. Yes, and when you clean it, it will be not to be polluted. It should be very good and firmly used. So that's called sustainability with good quality and good product and best quantity too. So what happening? Do you have an idea about sustainability? The word sustainability is really good to listen. If you understand in deep knowledge about textiles or any other fabrics or any other sector, the sustainable is very important. Industrial revolution or helpful thing. It is standards. So advanced materials, because in textiles, almost all we have a lot of fabrics, and there is a lot of attractive imported fabrics too. So it likes advanced materials we may use, because this is a scheme which is related from government scheme, and there will be related to textiles, and this textiles has sustainable and innovation purpose they have targeted for, and this is research, innovation, something which is related to full form. So coming to this, it has employment benefits like employment studies too. So supply chain mapping, risk assessments. So like integration textile statistical system, ITSS. ITSS is the easy. Just focus. Yes, please pay attention. So real-time monitoring, strategic planning and capacity development like strengthening state level planning and best practice dissemination. So that is the word of dissemination call. There is a planning of development, strengthening means energetic, and the bonding background work is going on with the power of strength. And state level planning have been done to these textiles for this related to scheme, and there was a practices for that. So when it's a matter of dissemination means degree. Next, there is a particular term that's nothing but startups. Some many of them are doing startups, so it may helpful for them too. And information and innovation support incubators, hackathon, academia, industry collaborations. So this is overall about the scheme of the Tex Ramps scheme. Hope this video is really informative and helpful. So and let me know how many of you are enjoying this Sankranti, the Makara Sankranti, and a warm wishes for each and everyone. Thank you for my community, and it's really a blessing for me to support till now, till the end too. And coming to here, our presentation, our anything, if you are feeling to talk to me, then definitely reach on my live stream too. It may helpful for you to reach me. So stay tuned. Thank you. Thank you so much. Stay tuned and see you in next video. Till then, have a shine. Have a shine. Have a shine.